First we will work with the properties of numeric. Now come to the numeric, take one numeric. Now after that right click here, come to the create, come to the property node. Okay, right click, come to the create. Okay, right click, come to the create property node. If we will come to the property node, so we will work in this property node later. We will work in this property node later. Now we will work on the blinking. So let's take a blinking, right click, okay, change all to right. Now right click here, take a push button. If you don't want, then don't take. Right click here, create control. Okay, this is blinking. Okay, now if you will run and if you will place, so your numeric indicator will blink. How can I take? I am going to show you again. Right click in numeric, come to the create, right click in numeric, come to the create, come to the local property node. Okay, this class leave, this class leave. In this class first will blink. Right click here. Okay, so now change all to right. Right click, create constant, control, run. If you will run and you will place it, so it will blink, either it will not. Okay, good. Now I can drag it. There is one more property. Okay, the property name is disable. Okay, right click, create control. So this is a disable property now, as you have seen automatic previous. If you will run, it is enable, now disable. You cannot do anything. In the time of enable, you can change the value. In the time of disable, you cannot change the value. In the time of grade, you cannot do anything. Okay, white. So it is second. Now good. Two property nodes we checked. There is one more property node. Okay, label, not label, key focus, indicator. Okay, right click. Okay, right click, change to right. This one, right click, change to read. It is indicator or control we want to check. So if it is a control, so it will off, and if it is an indicator, if this one is indicator, so it will on. So let's run. So it is an indicator, no, it's control, so it's off. So how can I change? Okay, so I can delete this one. I can take one numeric, boolean. I can use this boolean not function and control. Yes, why we need? If I will right click here, come here, and I will, okay, so look at here, it's look like indicator. So it is control or indicator if you want to check. So it is, yes, it is a control, not indicator. Okay, now again drag it. There is a value. Okay, there is a value. If I will click on the value, so I can read the value without connection with this. Okay, I can read the value. Okay, now run. Okay, I can read the value. Okay, without any connection by using the property, because I am targeting the property of this control. Okay, now if I will right click, I will okay. Now the increment and decrement buttons are enabled with the my controls. If I will right click here, I will drag it, I will right click, and I will use the value I will right click, create constant for show, and if I will write, so it will be 4. If you want to click up and down, so you cannot change, because the property, by using the property node, I had given the value 4. So because the internal property is fixed value, so you cannot change the property, you cannot change from this platform. Okay, so there is one more properties. Okay, a property name is limits. Okay, all elements. So in this limit all elements, right click, create constant, and if you'll right click label, so you will get the label. Okay, so can I right click label minimum, right click label maximum, minimum, and step size and increment. Okay, increment step, which you have seen earlier. So the minimum will be -10, maximum will be 10, and step size will be always 2 here, 2. So now if I will run, okay, so if I will click, it will not increase because I had used this value. Okay, if I will okay, remove element. Okay, if I will remove element, so control B. Okay, now I can run and I can change. Okay, with only 2. So how we can use, we will see tomorrow, but where we will use, we will see tomorrow. But now we will only learn about this kind of the property node. Okay, so let's see, delete this all property node. Okay, now right click, come to the properties, and in the property node labels. Okay, unit label, here the found position. Okay, so now come to the position, it is a position. Okay, right click here into the position and change all to right. If I will take one for loop, I will write and I will come to the cluster. I will take the cluster, I will connect like this, and I will write 125, and I will take one. Now run, it will work. Okay, so in case you want to send, in case you want to move any object from one place to another place, so you can change, you can control. Okay, you can change the, sorry, you can control, you need to control the position, because by you, if you will target the position, so if you will target the position, so okay, it will be, so you can change the value. Okay, if I will delete this one, control B, so by using this concept you can, okay, move any objects. Okay, you can move any object. Now let's see, I'm going to delete this one, right click, prop property node local variables, right click here, come to the properties, look at here, owning. Okay, now display, format and precision. Okay, format string, increment decrement visible or not. So this increment decrement is visible or not. Numeric text. So for the numeric text, I will come like text. So what is the text? Right click, create indicators. So what is the text? Okay, so inside there is -4 you have written. If I will write, so -2, but I don't need any converter. Look at here, I don't need any converter. By using these functions, I can directly take that data into string. So it's good now, because I don't need any kind of converter. I am directly target to my property. I can directly target to the property of the numeric control. We don't need any kind of the converters. So yes, it is a really good concept because we don't need any kind of the converters. Okay, so let's see again. Right click. Okay, no need to right click. Okay, numeric text. Okay, you can change the text size also and others. So now let's come to the upper side. Captions. So captions. Okay, now in the captions, can I come to the text? Okay, in the caption, can I come to the text? And if I will right click and create indicator, so what will be the caption? Okay, so for that we need to stop. Right now I will right click, I will come here. So there is label is on. Okay, I will delete. Now I will open the caption. If I will run, so caption is numeric. Look at here. Why the in the last run it not works? Because the label was on, and I cannot change the label. I can change the caption. So if I will on the label and if I will off the caption, so I will run, so it will not. Okay, what happened? Okay, now look at here. If I will right click, come here, and I will close the label. I will right click and come here, caption. Okay, now okay, if I will right click here, I will change all to right, right click, convert into the constant, sorry, control. If I will write new numbers, new new number. So look at here, new number automatically change. So by our programming logic, we can change automatically. We can change automatically by our programming logic. Why? Okay, look at here. If there is one array, okay, and in the one array we have different name with the performance. Okay, we have different name with the performance. Okay, so look at here. AJAY Ajay, Neha, Prachi, Vikash. Okay, and if I will use this index array function, okay, And if I will use this one, okay, for that, because I had changed the concepts, value, increment, create constant, okay, increment, create constant, sorry, data entry, create constant, okay, so it will be 1. Now if I will connect this one like this, so I can control the name. We will see tomorrow. We will do an example. So I can control these things, control A, control U, like this. Ajay. Okay, because there is a upper and lower, both are the 0. So if the upper one is 0, so lower one is 0 and upper one is 4. So what happened? If I will run Neha, Prachi, okay, so I can change, control the look, the vision, everything of the my program. Okay, so now delete this one, right click again, come to the numeric. Okay, now if I will right click here, I will come to the local variable, sorry, property nodes. In this property nodes, owning vi, if you want to write. So with owner of the vi, if you want to write click indicators, so it is the owning vi. What is the meaning of owning vi? By using this, its vi is present inside, and this vi, by using this vi, okay, we can perform. After that, right now, come to the create local property nodes. You can choose owner, right click, create indicators again. So who is the owner? So this kind, okay, the owners means, okay, it is kind of sub vi, virtual server architectures. Okay, inside the server architecture, this is generic. Inside the generic, this is the graphic, okay, graphical objects. Inside the graphical objects, we are in the control. Inside the control, okay, all those things are present. So there is a numeric. Okay, in this numeric, okay, we are the numeric. Okay, so we are using the numeric. No, okay, this numeric. So this means, okay, okay. So by using honor, you can control like this. Okay, it is not important right now. If you are not preparing for a class, so not important. And position, band, ID, everything is done. Everything is done. Okay, indicators, force, disable, description. You can use this for the description also. Right click, create control. Okay, change all to right. You can use the description and all. So it is an, okay. So we will see how it, okay, it is a property node, and this property node is for the numeric. Let's see the property node about the booleans. Okay, here one more thing, last program about this property nodes. Right click here, come to the property node. In the property node, there is any colors concepts. Okay, label, caption. Okay, caption. In the caption, text color. Okay, so for the text color, look at here. If you will not look at here, so you will miss this one. Okay, right click, all. Now we need, okay, we need to come here, come to the numeric where color is present. Inside the decoration there is no color, where the color is present. Right click numeric, the color box. Okay, the color box is present here, so I can right click, I can change it to constant. Okay, now I will right click here, I will take the bundle, create constant, I will take the bundle. How do you know, sir, how it will work, sir? I had invested so much time. Can I connect this one? No. Okay, I can connect. Okay, so for that right click, again I will run, so it is for the caption. Okay, so stop, right click, I will go here, I will click on the caption. Now if I will run, so it's okay, red. Okay, it will be white. Okay, so we can change the numeric color also like this. So it will depends how you are approaching. We will use all those things for our project. Okay, so you need to learn.